It's the 2,000 subscriber giveaway time. Hello and welcome. I'm Akram Birth, and you're watching Akram's Ideas of bringing creative and crazy ideas to life. In today's episode, I'm going to be sharing the details for the Akram's Ideas 2,000 subscriber giveaway, but you'll have to stay tuned to the end of the video for that. First off, I want to share the McCalls 7313 knit dress revisited. So if you recall from a few weeks back, I reviewed this dress, again 7313. It's a knit dress pattern from McCalls, and basically I felt like it was way too wide. It was just falling off my shoulders, and I was unhappy with the neckline. I was unhappy with a lot of things. Obviously the shoulder points aren't where they're supposed to be. I feel like the bodice is maybe a little too high on me. And there was some unevenness with the bodice point in the back and stuff like that. Well, I got a lot of comments from all of you guys about how I could address this, what things I should have considered, and things of that nature. So first off, let me go back and remind you that I cut a size 16 for this. I, according to the pattern, should be closer to an 18-20, but this pattern, even though it's for a knit dress, didn't have any negative ease, and I figured cutting a size 16 usually works, especially with knit patterns, and it has, but I feel like it's still too big on the shoulders. And I have been working on another pattern. I kind of put this one aside, and what I've discovered is that, and I'll go into some fitting, I'll do another video on some fitting things that I've been learning as I've been trying to make the perfect fit for clothes, is that the size 16 will fit the bust just fine on most instances. It's the shoulders, I'm having to go down to a 14, if not even size 12, to get the shoulders to fit properly. So if I make this again, I will definitely probably even go down to a size 12 at the shoulder and then grade out into the size 16, which I'll discuss more in detail later. But I really wanted to salvage this dress because come on, the print is so beautiful. But a lot of people in the comments suggested adding a neckband, and that is what I have done here. So basically I had some scrap left over of this fabric, and I basically just cut a 3-inch wide neckband, and I cut it 80% less than the current neckline. So I went around and measured the neckline, got 80%, and that's where I came up for the measurement of the neckband's length. And again, it was 3 inches wide. I had just done a fold over for the neckline, which is how the pattern has you sew this dress. So I unpicked all that, and then I sewed the neckband at a 5/8 inch. So it's a little bigger than a 1-inch neckband, but not by much. And I think it has done an amazing job. Granted, I've got some weird puckering right here on the back. I'm not sure what that's about, but I feel like it's so much more wearable. I mean, especially right here, it lays flat, it's up a little higher, it's not like falling off me completely, and I think
to see more episodes like this, be sure to click the like button, subscribe to Akram's Ideas, and hit the bell icon to get notified of new episodes.
that was the perfect solution. So again, I want to thank you guys for helping me out and giving me this suggestion. I think it was the perfect way to go, and it worked out beautifully for salvaging this. This is definitely a wearable toil, and I will get a lot of wear of it. I really like it. It's a soft, nice cotton jersey, and I love this print, and I really wanted to make this dress work, but I knew the neckline as is. Every time I would put this on, I would just be like, I don't really want to wear it. But now that I've got the neckband, it works so well, and I'm really, really happy with that. So now, the moment you've been waiting for, let me get into the details about our 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So in the previous video that I uploaded, I was so close to 2,000 subscribers, and I said that once we hit 2,000 subscribers, I would do a little giveaway. And I have put together 2 little prize packs, so 2 winners for 2,000 subscribers. And what you get in this prize pack is 2 yards of fabric, a zipper, and a couple of buttons. These all come from my stash. They're all sort of vintage in nature, and I'm going to share with you the 2 prize packs. So the first one is this beautiful Bernina here in a light blue. I feel like it's perfect for picnic season. And with that, you're going to get a light blue 22-inch zipper and a set of 6 vintage white buttons. For prize pack number 2, we have this other beautiful cotton. This one is another 2 yards. It's a white base with these pale green leaves, and then these purple and or blue and pink flowers all over it. And with this, you get a pink 22-inch zipper and a set of pink pearl-like buttons, so 6 buttons as well. So how do you enter the contest? So what I would like for you guys to do is to comment in the comments below which prize pack you would be most interested in winning and what you would make with it. So again, I would love for you to comment below. Also, if you're not already subscribed to Akram's Ideas, be sure to subscribe. As it turns out, like the majority of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the creative and crazy ideas here on the channel. I will be announcing the winners on May 30th, and what I've got planned is an actual live stream that day. I've been talking about maybe doing a live stream with you guys, something different and something out of the box, and you can do like a Q&A. I thought I'd do some hand sewing while we're live streaming. I've got some buttons to put on some things, and so I thought I'd do that. Just a chit chat with you guys, all 2,000 of you. If you'd like to join in, I'll have all the details coming up as to when that will be. I'll have it set up as a premiere so you can kind of get notified. And again, great reason to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of that coming up. So during the live stream, we'll actually pick the winners. And again, that'll be kind of like a Q&A chit chat kind of thing. So bring your sewing and everything, and we'll get together on May 30th. So you have until May 30th to comment on this video to be entered in the competition. Again, I want to give a big shout out to you guys. You are amazing. Thanks for following along with Akram's Ideas and growing the channel. And most of all, just sharing your comments and thoughts, especially about like the neckband. Like at first I didn't really know what I was going to do with this dress, but all the comments and suggestions were so helpful. So again, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Akram's Ideas, and thanks for watching.
I reviewed just a little while ago. Let me do that again. And if you recall, let me do that again. Thanks for helping. We are going to revisit this McCalls 730.